Alright guys, today I want to talk about this cute little bulb here. It is pretty decent and produces a decent amount of light. However, my problem with it is that although it says 4,000 hours, I'm not sure if it lasts that long, but it is about $6 a piece, and I bought two of these, so that's 12 bucks, which is pretty steep in my opinion. Having said that, I'm not sure if there is or there are a lot of alternatives, so this is what I got. I'm going to do this quick unboxing for you guys, and let me see. I'm not sure what to call this thing. I think it's probably the Xenon, whatever they call it. I don't know. But yeah, if there are better alternatives that you guys might know about that are cheaper and produce longer lasting hours, just let me know. This is what you get in the box. Thanks for watching.